Next we have the comparison of basicity of aryl amines against ammonia. That means when we compare aryl amines and ammonia, which is more basic, and what is the reason for the higher basicity. Before that, what is meant by an aryl amine or aromatic amine? What is meant by aryl amine? Means NH2 group or amino group directly attached to an aromatic ring. So for us, an aromatic ring means we have only benzene as an aromatic ring, isn't it? So aryl amine means NH2 group directly attached to a benzene ring. And what is the name for a compound in which NH2 group is directly attached to benzene ring? Yes, it is aniline. So which is the aromatic amine? It is aniline. Okay. Now, so before we explain or before we compare the basicity of aryl amine with ammonia, a very common board question, that is pKb value of aniline is quite high. Why? What is meant by pKb value? Yes, basicity. It is a term or it is a symbol to represent the basicity. So we know that higher the pKb value, weaker the base. So aniline is having high pKb value means aniline is less basic. Why? Or there is another question, aniline is less basic than ammonia. Why? There are two main reasons for the higher there are two main reasons for the less basic nature of aniline when we compare with ammonia. The first reason is, if you see the structure of aniline, it is clear that is NH2 group is directly attached to benzene ring. What happens when NH2 group is directly attached to benzene ring? We know that in aniline there is a lone pair of electron on nitrogen, and that is the reason why it is acting as a Lewis base. But when the same NH2 group containing lone pair, when they are directly attaching to benzene ring, what happens? This lone pair of electron on nitrogen will be in conjugation with. The lone pair on nitrogen will be in conjugation with benzene ring. Benzene ring means what? The lone pair of electrons will be in conjugation with the pi electrons of benzene ring. We know that in benzene ring we have 3 alternate double bonds. So there is pi electrons present in the benzene ring. So what happens if the lone pairs are in conjugation with the pi electrons of the benzene ring? They will be involved in resonance. So what happens if the lone pair, if they are involved in resonance? See what happens. The resonance starting. When the resonance starting in aniline, when the lone pair on nitrogen, when this lone pair, when it is shifting towards the benzene ring, the resonance begins. So the resonance actually it is starting due to the availability of lone pair on nitrogen. So due to resonance, see the remaining resonating structures. Already we have studied the resonating structures of aniline in class 11. So if you see the resonating structures, how many resonating structures are there for aniline? 5 resonating structures are there, and from the second structure onwards we cannot see any lone pair on nitrogen. Instead of that, we can see only a positive charge. That means we have utilized the lone pair for resonance, or it is utilizing the lone pair for resonance. So what happens due to this resonance? The lone pair will be less available for protonation. This is why aniline is less basic. It is basic. There is lone pair. Due to the presence of lone pair on nitrogen, it can behave as a Lewis base, but comparatively the basicity of aniline is less. The first reason is, once again, the lone pair on nitrogen, it is in conjugation with. The main reason is the NH2 group is directly attached to benzene ring. So what happens? The lone pair of electron on nitrogen will be in conjugation with the benzene ring, and that will be involved in resonance. So what happens? It will be less available for protonation. This is the first reason for the less basic nature of aniline, or the higher pKb value of aniline. Now the second reason is aniline on protonation. Aniline, if it is acting as a base, aniline structure is benzene ring containing NH2 with a lone pair on nitrogen atom. Aniline on protonation. So this lone pair of electrons will be given to this proton, so that benzene ring NH2 will become NH3. Nitrogen will be getting a positive charge. Why nitrogen is getting a positive charge? The reason is we have taken that lone pair of electron present on nitrogen for the bond formation. Now aniline on protonation, we are getting anilinium ion. And one of the most important point already we discussed, higher the stability of the ion forming, higher will be the acidity or basicity. Okay, so here aniline on protonation, we are getting anilinium ion. But what about the stability of anilinium ion? See, anilinium ion is also involved in resonance, but anilinium ion has only one resonating structure. The only possibility is to change the position of double bond, just like a benzene ring. So in the next resonating structure, there is no change, because there is no lone pair or no electrons to take from nitrogen atom. So what happens here is only we need to change the position of double bonds inside the benzene ring. So how many resonating structures for aniline? Only 2 resonating structures. Now compare the stability of aniline and anilinium ion. Aniline on protonation, the second reason for the less basic nature of aniline is aniline on protonation, we are getting anilinium ion, which has only 2 resonating structures, while aniline has 5 resonating structures. We know that resonance is actually a stabilization effect or stabilizing effect. Higher the number of resonating structure, higher will be the stability. So here which one has higher stability, aniline or anilinium ion? Aniline is more stable than anilinium ion, because aniline has 5 resonating structures while anilinium ion has only 2 resonating structures. So aniline is more stable than anilinium ion. So will aniline shows more tendency to form anilinium ion by accepting proton? No. So that is why the basicity or protonation tendency of aniline is less. Since the anilinium is less stable than aniline, aniline will remain as aniline itself. It won't accept proton. It doesn't mean that it won't accept proton, it will accept proton and it forms anilinium ion, but the tendency will be less due to the less stability of anilinium ion. So once again, so what we can conclude, aniline or ammonia, which is more basic? Ammonia is more basic than aniline, or aniline is less basic than ammonia. The reason is, there are two main reasons behind. One is due to resonance. NH2 group is directly attached to benzene ring in the case of aniline. So the lone pair on nitrogen is in conjugation with benzene ring. So it is involved in resonance. So the lone pair will be less available for protonation. The second reason is based on the stability of aniline and anilinium ion. Aniline has more resonating structures, 5 resonating structures, while anilinium has only 2 resonating structures. So aniline is more stable than anilinium ion. So the second reason for the less basic nature of aniline is the less stability of anilinium ion. Very important, the less stability of anilinium ion. Now, next we have the effect of substituents on the basicity of amines. Just like acidity, here also what is the effect of substituents? Effect of substituents means whether it is plus I or minus I. And before that we have to remember, basicity means if the electron density or the availability of lone pair is high for protonation, basicity will be high. So definitely plus I or electron releasing or electron donating groups will be increasing basicity. Why plus I groups increases basicity? The reason is they will increase the electron density. If they can increase the electron density, what happens? The lone pairs will be readily available for protonation. Similarly, minus I means electron withdrawing. So electron withdrawing substituents, what happens? They decreases basicity. Why they decreases basicity? Because they decrease electron density. So electrons will be less available for protonation. So plus I groups increases basicity, minus I groups decreases basicity. Just the reverse of the effect of substituents in the case of acidity. In the case of acids, minus I groups will increase acidity. But in the case of basic nature, minus I groups decreases basicity. Now, as the number of we know that plus I groups can increase basicity. So, as the number of plus I groups increases, basicity again increases. Similarly, as the number of minus I groups increases, minus I groups are actually decreasing basicity. So, as the number of minus I groups increases, what happens? Basicity again decreases. And we know what are the examples of minus I and plus I groups. Before you study the effect, revise once again which are the plus I groups and which are the minus I groups. Now we have few questions. See the first question, that is aniline or methoxyaniline, which is more basic and why? When such question comes, first we need to draw the structures of the compounds. Aniline, we know the structure. Aniline means benzene ring containing NH2. NH2 will be directly attached to benzene ring. 2-methoxyaniline means the parent compound is aniline and in the second position we have a methoxy group. Methoxy group is OCH3 group. Compare these two. Both are aniline. The only thing is in the second compound we have a methoxy group. We know that all the alkoxy groups are. Methoxy group is, yes, plus I. How to represent plus I? Draw an arrow through the bond. Okay, so this is the way to represent plus I. So methoxy group is plus I, or electron releasing or electron donating. So what happens to the basicity? Definitely it will be increasing. So which is more basic here, aniline or methoxy aniline? The answer is methoxy aniline, and the reason is due to the plus I, that is electron donating or electron releasing. Effect of OCH3 group, lone pair on nitrogen, will be more available for protonation, or electron density on nitrogen increases. Now, the next question is, aniline or 3-nitroaniline, which is more basic and why? See, we know the structure of aniline, benzene ring containing NH2 and 3-nitroaniline. Aniline at the third position, 1, 2, 3, third position, there is a nitro group. Compare these two, both are anilines, and only differences in the second compound we have a nitro group. And remember, what is the effect of nitro group? Yes, it is minus I. How to draw minus I? Like this, because it will be withdrawing electron from the ring, or it will be pulling electrons towards itself, not pushing, it will be pulling electrons or withdrawing electron from the benzene ring. So what happens definitely when such groups comes, the availability of lone pair on nitrogen will be less, so basicity will be less. So here the question is, which is more basic? So the answer is aniline. Why? Why aniline is more basic here? Because due to the minus I, or electron withdrawing effect of NO2 group, availability of lone pair on nitrogen will be less in 3-nitroaniline. Therefore, more basic is aniline. So, these are the questions coming from this section. Okay. Now, from the previous video and this video, what we can conclude if we are comparing the basicity of aliphatic amines, ammonia and alkylamine, how we can write the order as, which is more basic here? Yes. Remember, if we compare all the three, that means aliphatic amine, aromatic amine and ammonia, the more basic will be aliphatic amines. Then which is more basic? Yes, ammonia. Remember, in every nitrogen there is lone pair, and the least basic will be aromatic amine, or we can write it as aniline, or benzene ring containing NH2. This is the conclusion of these two videos. Okay, so in the first video we compared between aliphatic amine and ammonia. In the second video we compared ammonia versus aromatic amine. Now If we compare all the three types of compounds, this is the order of basicity. So remember, if NH2 group, if it is directly attached to benzene ring, always the basicity will be less. And if there is an alkyl group present, definitely the basicity will be high. But you must see the medium, whether it is gaseous medium or aqueous medium. If it is aqueous medium, only two amines will be asked to you, that is methylamine and ethylamine, because only these two are mentioned in our textbook. And study the order of methylamine and ethylamine in aqueous medium. Okay.